The Quranic belief in Noah, Joseph, Jesus, and Adam from the 11th of the 7th month of 1446. Incarnation is no competition for a god. Connection to other paths has nothing to do with whether or not they are the examples of submission. Noah was shown his limited nature as he accepted separation. Joseph rejected her seduction and taught them interpretation. Jesus was no exception, as he fought the speculating and otherwise made aspersions. It is as if there is a new Adam to bring a society with a beyond causal devotion. Now, one of the things that people will say about the Quran is it doesn't mention all of who the Bible calls prophets, and it mentions some that the Bible makes no mention of. But of course, the Bible mentions 74 other books, right? So it's admitting that it's not presenting a complete picture. And Islam is about all nations. It's not just about who were the prophets among the Israelites, or the prophets whose descendants included who became the Israelites.